In this video, I'll detail how to check iPhone firmware version. So if you have an iPhone or you recently updated to the latest iOS and you want to check out the firmware version you have on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through step by step. So if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to check your iPhone firmware version, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, click on General. Then once you selected General, I want to come here, click on About. Then once you click on the About button, then come here and click on iOS version. Then here, you're going to see your firmware version. Currently, I'm having the iOS 18 and the version number is 22A5333338B. So that is your iPhone firmware version. So that's exactly how to check iPhone firmware version. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.